right, Joe, this is it.
Wow.
This is the deck
great.
I've been telling you about, man.
Yeah.
It's exactly why we're gonna do the open house here this Sunday. This is the on deck open house, right? And so, in baseball, when you're on deck, what do you need?
You need a bat.
That's right, and that's why at the on deck open house, we're giving away a genuine baseball bat signed by Babe Ruth and what else?
And a $25 gift card to Amazon.
Both are sponsored by AMC Mortgage. Thanks, Joe.
You're welcome.
So not only will buyers be able to tour an amazing home because it's beautiful on the inside, but the backyard is something that you have to experience in person. So stop by on Sunday, tour the beautiful home, possibly win the Babe Ruth baseball bat, and
Amazon gift card.
we'll see you Sunday.